Hello everyone, Aquarius out there, welcome to my channel. This is Shul Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. I love you and hopefully that you all are doing well, guys. This reading is right from 1st June till 5th of June 2020. Okay, though timeless, but I'm just giving the dates, okay? So, Twin Flame Soulmates Connections, remember that these are general universal readings, so may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. Everyone's timeline is different. Getting the message of like, yes, of course, I'll tell them. I do feel that your train is approaching. It was very fast, and I feel like there was a lot of like kind of like a cargo or some stuff was there, like your time is coming kind of, or your journey is here, or something is coming on your platform kind of energy. Okay, that kind of energy I saw. I also heard the word blossom. I see like something is going to blossom in your life. Okay, something will blossom in your life, that's what I see. Okay, I also hear the news may connect with the pregnancy or some happy news. It's about the commitment, something that's going to blossom in your life. So blossom can be anything. Okay, a flower blossoms, maybe someone's name is Blossom and they are hearing it out. Maybe you're dealing with someone whose name is Blossom. Aquarius, what's there? I see like the train was approaching and it was on the platform. And someone just did a break and it was instant. Okay, let's see. I do feel for some cases it's going to be the opportunity connected with work or something. Maybe some of you are dealing with, give me a second, let me go from the tarot. Queen of Pentacles energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Maybe some of you are dealing with the person, or some of you are closing the chapter, and that's going to be the pack-up energy. I see like the train approached. Why the train approached? Why? Interesting. Some cases it's going to be Four of Wands energy, which is about 1111 soulmates, twin flames connections. Kind of like the commitment coming, someone's promise coming. So it could be blossom, some happy moment or event at your home. This is someone who is returning as well, kind of like the Judgment energy here. Okay, second last card. Judgment, it's about the chance that will be given or not in question mark. Okay, where it's something like someone who is talking sense, or someone who wants to talk about something. This could be a marriage kind of thing, like someone who will retry again. You get it, like already the talks were done and everything was done and it was a finalization of something, but again something is going to have suddenly a bloom situation and you weren't expecting, but something will be very fast and will stop at your station. Like what's that where you catch the train? Your station basically, and it's going to be, no one was coming out, actually it was a break. So I do feel either you will have break on the movement, or either you will prepare yourself and then get to the train and then you move, because you're not missing the train this time. I also see very fast communication coming. Oh, interesting, a fast communication coming. So a fast communication coming, yeah, weird. Sometimes I don't know what I'm, okay, where you're coming from. I'm going to shuffle and pull the cards, okay, from the top position. Yep. Okay, this card is Five of Swords. It's going to go inside the deck actually, but Five of Swords. Let me go. Can you see it? That's better. Keep trying it, like, okay. Five of Swords energy, something is trusting you for a very long time. It's a kind of like a delay or something. It's going to get cut through. I mean, you're ready for the final decisions here. Train is coming means big plans, big projects. This is a sign of long journey as well, or the long journey is coming to an end, kind of like something. Okay, so let me shuffle, and now they want me to stop. Yep, something is coming to an end. No more brag, no more drag, and it's here with you. Five of Cups energy, which is out of now thing. It's something that you got disappointed very much, and that's why you did all the stuff, like you pack it up and just did the thing, and you just moved out as soon as possible. So someone is doing that, okay? Losing out on some connection or hope, but balancing out yourself and then figuring out a better way and return. I see return. I do feel things will be returned, or just a long communication, or the communication that you longed for or someone longed for, it's going to come. Like someone is sending, but what you do is your stuff. But I see that, okay? So where you are coming from, you're coming from a Four of Swords energy, wherein heartbreaks happened and things were messed up, and someone took a break here, guards were up here, and I feel like I get the message of like not interested, but I see like this is where you're coming from. So I do feel this was the pause or break that you took from someone, or someone took it from you. Whatever happened, it kind of energy that someone is interested in knowing what's happening in your life, all of a sudden possible. So Four of Swords is like someone is trying to seep in, trying to know, they want to talk to you, they want to contact you, or whatever reason. But there is that you are not speaking, you are not saying anything, you are not saying, because you know that Three of Swords happened, something was disappointing, okay? But what's in your now? It's casual. I like it. Okay. You are getting Knight of Wands energy. First thing is coming that you're good to go. I mean, you will be very fast, and that's why I saw the speed, and the speed is a Knight of Wands energy as well. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I do feel someone is coming back kind of energy, wherein someone will try to contact you, or they end up doing it. I do feel this could be someone new as well, but I also feel like, sorry, someone who is totally new could be, or partially, you know. But all in all, this is not someone you totally trust. You don't. The other thing is like maybe they excite you, or maybe this is someone who is getting excited to contact you. So maybe they'll try to seep in. Okay, but I do feel, I don't know why, I feel like you're not interested. Why? I mean, you're done with so many things. That's why someone is longing for the communication to enter here. That's what I see with the Knight of Wands energy. And then here you go with your future caller, future wife. I want to ask that, what does this Knight of Wands want? Okay. What do you want? Oh, you know them, but partially. Okay. So chances were not given exactly, I do feel, for some cases. But with the Six of Cups energy, it's a resurgence. Someone who wants to talk. I said so. So possible this person is partially connected with your energy of past. And here they come. Here they come. Okay. So I do feel someone will be very fast in turning towards you to talk to you. Someone over here wants to talk something to you. This could be the new person, but because this is Six of Cups connected, this could be someone from your past. Yes, I have to say that, because the longing of the communication, of the conversation is being returned. Someone will take a halt in your surroundings, you know, at your place possible, or they just want to talk to you something about. I mean, kind of like I'm getting this message, I'm not home. Someone who is not taking the call, or is not reciprocating, or is just not interested. Maybe this happened with you and now you are in this position, but I don't know why I feel load of communication is being sent towards you. Kind of like someone is trying to contact you because they want to talk to you, and when they want to talk to you, it's about the emotions and memories. The problem is, are you interested? I mean, I feel like you're highly disappointed. What's in your future caller, future vibe? You are highly disappointed. With the Hangman energy here, you might look to the situation or talk, but you're not giving any answer to this person. Kind of like you might listen, you might talk neutral. The Hanged Man is something, maybe whatever is here, you're not trusting the situation totally. So before you make a bigger move or the long journey or whatever, you are going to be holding on. I see that, like kind of like you want time. Maybe if someone is entering in your life, you want time. It's like someone who is expecting very fast things, you're kind of like, I heard out on that. Okay, what's beyond the hanged man? What's beyond the hanged man? It's strength. So you're bonding, or maybe you are interested in seeing the bonding. Okay, it's about who is controlling who, or at least don't try to control. Kind of like no domination here. It's kind of understanding both the situations and then bond well. Okay, and I actually like a talk sense here. What does this person thinks and feels for you if there is someone around the corner? Knight of Pentacles, they want to pick things up. Actually I see that wherever they left possible, or just something, a new startup of something wherein they this is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but with the Knight of Pentacles I see like things slowed down between you both. Maybe this is going to be the blossom. So for me it's a pickup energy. So what do you do? That's your scenario, obviously, especially with the Hanged Man and strength. Someone will try to keep up with the patience, and I do feel it's a good news also in some way, but what you do with this good news is on you. But that kind of energy is Hanged Man is yours energy. It's your energy, and this is kind of like the strength is coming from that person's energy, because it's also the Leo energy. Okay, let me try kind of. Okay, what is that they want? What is that they want? Seven of Pentacles. They want answer or some reciprocation, but they're ready to wait because they know what happened. So maybe some delays or happened. So that's what I also see. Like your focus is like this on Pentacles. Everything is on the growth matter, and everything that you want is this. That's a general message, but what do they want? They want answer. So someone's patience is being checked here, or else I do feel that someone is getting impatient, a lot impatient I see. Okay, recording time was 1221. I hope this will help you guys. Take care. I love you. See you soon.